from Rome.
Whoop, whoop.
We were just talking about how happy we are to be here. We just threw on some clothes and went down to the local bakery that we found on Google Maps. It's glorious.
Very close.
They have coffee. Although the coffee is never hot enough.
Never hot. Yeah, it's not hot enough. But
And a bunch of pastries.
yep.
Taking them back to the kids. Let you know how they are.
Less than $15.
Yes.
3
We're
coffees
happy.
and a ton of pastries.
While we're coming back from the bakery, might as well show you our cute Airbnb. We didn't even notice there were these cute tiles last night because it was dark. We're about, gosh, a 40-minute drive out of the city, maybe 30 minutes. But that's what budget traveling people do. Okay, we're on the 3rd floor for Americans, which is the 2nd floor for Europeans. Are we there?
Yep.
Oh. I don't know. We'll see how clothed people are. Whether we'll record. Okay. Living room. Ready for some baked goods? Yeah. Living room. It smells in here.
It's messy.
Kids room. Huge kids room. They're all in the one room. We have 2 separate patios, which is so nice. So this is our view. It is beautiful here today. The high is 68. It is blue skies and we could not be more excited. Leave that open. I feel like it smells in here. Is it you that stinks?
No, it was Emily.
And then Mike and I's room. Yeah, and then you have another bigger patio, but kind of like more functioning, I suppose, where the washing machine is. You get to dry your clothes out on these cute lines, like you're in some sort of movie, and we're loving it. All right, let's go have pastries. You ready for some pastries?
Pastries. Yes.
Okay, what do we think?
Whoa.
What do you love that donut?
That donut's good.
This pastry was really good.
I could eat pizza every day.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Thumbs up. We have a neighborhood bakery.
So, yes, we have a neighborhood bakery.
Yes.
And that pizza restaurant was good, so we have a neighborhood
Pizzeria.
Pizzeria.
Life is good.
All right, in typical Mike Murphy fashion, we are in an Uber to our next location, and we're doing a food cooking class.
Yeah.
Italian cooking class.
So excited.
We were just talking
And
about
the train or transport would have taken about an hour.
Well, and it wasn't just the time commitment, but it was like quite complex for our first time. And I think we would have been fine if we weren't on a scheduled time we had to be somewhere, because we could just figure it out, but we were scared we were not. I mean, it wasn't the cheapest cooking class, so we don't want to miss it. And it's super booked. But it's the highest rated cooking class in Rome, and it's a family cooking class in these people's house. So we're super excited about it. We haven't done any cooking classes, and it's definitely been something that we've been wanting to do. We're a half hour early, which is maybe a record for the Murphys. And we're just kind of walking around before we go in this lady's house because I don't want to go too early.
We have about 20 minutes to kill. Sounds good. We're wandering this nice, pretty park.
I mean, I feel like we just got here, but there are 7 million things to see. It's freaking me out that we're not going to see even a teeny bits of it. And we don't even know what we're seeing, but it's great. So if you're from Italy or you've been here and you know what this is, please in the comments let us know. What are we seeing? We would love to know. It's beautiful though. Everything here is huge. I had told Mike before we got here that I was nervous that we were going to get to Rome, and because we've seen so many Roman ruins, especially really amazing ones like Ephesus in Turkey. If you haven't seen that video, you can see it right here. But anyhow, I was really nervous that Rome was going to be like, oh, we've already seen it all. No, everything so far, amazing. And we just got here, so. Food, amazing. Random, crazy, giant old buildings, amazing. We're ready to cook. Are you excited?
Oliver.
Oh, you can just be Italian with Oliver, Ollie. That's good to know.
Sorry, Oliviero.
Oliviero. Can you say that?
My name's already too French and British. So
Yeah.
It's always just Claire, Clara.
Clara.
So today we will make two different kinds of pasta because we used to eat two different kinds of pasta. This is the reason why some one of you has a bowl with semolina flour inside and a little bowl with water, and others of you have a bowl with two different kinds of flour that are always semolina and all-purpose flour and one egg. Why? Pasta made with water is the pasta that we used to eat every single day. Because yes, we eat pasta every single day. If you really are in trouble and you don't know what to say and you need really with the right face. So if you are a little bit sad like this, if you don't know what to do, it's like we will understand. Don't worry.
Do you do it if you're mad too?
Certo! Ma che cosa vuoi? Allora! Certo! So, please take the bowl with the flour. If you have the egg inside, just take it outside for one moment. And then be Italian. And like this, just make a big well in the center. So a big hole in the center. That the egg is made. So we need one more flour. It's always
Get it in there, Ollie.
That is water one.
Oh yeah, that's looking good, Claire. Okay.
Macarena. So every time it's rolling down and then with one of your hands, you have to roll it up.
Ooh.
It's like
Roll. See if you can, but you gotta really push. Push into it. Like this. Look. See how mine's smushed? Yeah. Push your weight into it.
like this.
That's how you want it to be. You cutting yours, Mike? Ooh, you're on top of it. Look at yours. That looks nice. Crow over here. You need to help Ellie. This is never rolling. Oh, those look great, Ollie.
I'm doing it 2 at a time.
Okay. There you go.
Mom, you are
See, add it again.
I'm sorry.
Nice. And then light pressure and roll it back. That's it. Yeah?
That's all?
Yeah. Wow. That's it. Good job, Mike.
In the middle of the table if you want to add it. And smart things and enjoy.
Thank
Remember
you.
that pasta has to be done when it's hot.
Okay.
How was it?
We did a food tour in Bangkok. Oh, we really good.
How long do you have to cook the noodles for?
Not noodles.
I mean, sorry.
No!
How long did you cook the pasta for? How long did you cook the pasta for?
You have to go to jail now.
going
You've
to
been
jail.
told.
Colin, please.
Actually, give us the plates back. Give us the plates back. So good. Really, really
Oh my
good.
god.
So good, right? We had a great time at our cooking class.
Best
It
time.
couldn't have been any better, honestly.
So good.
So much fun.
100%.
So good. The descriptions and the link is in the description below. And now we have to get home and we don't want to pay for Uber, so we are doing public transportation. We're waiting for a bus. A walk is 2 hours.
Yeah.
Anyhow, we're waiting for a bus. We do a bus and then a metro and then a walk and then we're home. So we shall see how we can do it because we've never done a bus before. Mike's skeptical. Elle's real skeptical.
Ollie's pulling his hair.
We've made it on the bus. Some people are crazy. Okay, update. We got on the bus that we were supposed to stay on for 9 stops, but it stayed on the path. We were supposed to take. So we stayed on for how long? 15 stops or something? I don't know. Now we're off. We went in a random, beautiful luxury hotel for the bathroom.
Oh my god,
And now we're in the metro.
biscuit.
And someday we're gonna get home. Now I have to get directions. Okay, the saga continues. Go quickly. Oh. We are still trying to get home. It's like an hour and a half later. Not that we've had any real hang-ups, really. It's just we're far away and it takes a long time. So I think we're like a 9-minute walk till home. So
I got coffee, fricatelli, and Coke. All 3 flavors on the cone. And chocolate and whipped cream and that.
is yours good? I heard strawberry was really good. I know. Well, his is falling off. Thank you. Okay, are we already paid?
Yeah.
Great. Onward. Thank you.
Thank you.
So good. Yours is falling apart. So this place is called, also by our apartment, Lubrano. Anyhow, this is the smallest. You can get 3 flavors, and they're €3.
Mom,
That's a heck of a deal.
Yeah.